So, hey guys. Looks like some sort of breakfast review. Food up country. Let's try hot dogs. I mean, LA's hot dog with peppers look. LA's hot dogs with peppers don't look good. I'm gonna give this like third place. Chicago's food is alright, but what's with the tomatoes and pickles? I'm gonna give this like second place. New York styles, yeah, that's a good. New York style's amazing. That's a good one. Winner, New York City. It's raining hot dogs. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Barbecue style. I mean, Texas is not bad. Second place. This looks like third place. I kind of like this one. First place. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna do pizza next. New York looks better. First place. Chicago looks like a grilled cheese. Third place. New Jersey looks crispy, but I ain't buying. So, but it looks good. Second place. Yeah. Ooh, dessert. God, man, I like blueberry pie is okay, so I'm giving it first place. Lime pie. I love chocolate, so yeah, second place. Lime pie is okay, but I'm sorry, guys. I gotta give it third place. I'm sorry. There's no room. So that's how I rank every food. And FYI, there's nothing wrong with blueberry pie. I like it. Also, if you think my matching is terrible, well, answer that in the comics. I don't know. A comment. Comic.